welcome to my channel. Look at all this craziness out here. We are doing today boho nails, and we're only doing 2 because I've been sitting in here for like 2.5 hours to do these. And so we're going to do the 2 middle fingers. So I'm Melissa. Welcome to my channel. Let's get started. So all these strips have gone into creating these nails. And what I'm going to do at the end of this is, if you all want, I will package up all of these leftovers. I cannot guarantee if they're going to still be good or not because, you know, I've been sitting here a while. But I will send them out if somebody is interested in them. You just have to let me know. They'll just all be thrown into one sealed pack, and it'll be just whoever says, hey, I want those first, that will get them. Or maybe I should do a phrase that pays. I don't know. No, we'll just say whoever says, hey, Melissa, I want those strips to go towards your orthopedic bill for your back. That's yeah, there you go. Tell me, whoever says, I want those to go, the money to go to your orthopedist, Melissa. That'll be who gets them. So, dang. So, yeah, this has been the way it has been all day. So, and if my husband comes home, you're going to hear the dogs go crazy. You know, y'all been around, you know, they go nutso. So, these are the boho nails that everybody's been doing. So, you know, if you can't beat them, join them. Get on the bandwagon. And, so this one's really wanting to give me a fit, and that is the first time that I've had any kind of real issue today. Of course, I've got the metal part right here. Why will it not come undone? Come here. And I top coated the ones I've done. That's why I'm trying to be really careful to not mess up the ones I've already got done. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. See what I'm saying? And I dropped it. Oh, there it went. Okay. I was just getting ready to say I dropped it, and I don't know where it's at, but I saw it. Okay. I've got a mess on my desk. I was thinking this hand needed some yellow. So I'm going to start out with like a strip that came out of the center, in the center of my nail. I'm just going to put it on there and just kind of fold it under for right now. We'll do this finger. I've been going just kind of back and forth and looking, you know, at like what I didn't have on one hand and what I had on the other. But it's just very random. I tried to kind of go back and forth on prints versus, you know, your gradients and things like that. I don't think I have any like camouflage on this hand, so let me take this off and take this. And you know, I was not smart enough. I was smart to cut through it, but I didn't cut all the way through the little piece. Which, if I would have done that and did just a little bit higher, it would have been a whole lot easier. But, you know, I don't really think about that kind of thing. So that's just how I am. Okay, making sure I'm in frame, because all my strips are not in frame. Some of them are laying over here to the side. So, some of the strips are a little bit bigger than others, and that's okay, too. It does not matter. This is just a very random mani. And I don't know, I'm thinking I've got camo. I don't have camo over here. May have to put another strip over here. So while I got this one going, I'll just get another one. Again, I should have cut. I thought I had used this, but I had not. So we'll just, oh boy, my husband's home, I bet. So when they go crazy, guys, don't take it out on me. Uh-oh, this one's still got the plastic on it. It does. It does. So, it's not too bad, guys. Look, if you forget, it's not the end of the world. In fact, sometimes I leave it on just because your strips are a little bit more manageable. So, it's not too bad. Little wood stick will get it off there. Okay. Oh, there they go. Guys, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I can't control them, though. They're just little beasts. Little crazies. My husband set off the burglar alarm because I haven't undone it yet. Great. Hope that ADT isn't calling soon, but I think he got it turned off in time. He is home, so you all, this will be a loud video. They've already stopped though. He's probably in there going, be quiet, I hear your mother in there talking to herself, so hush up. So let's see now. I try to take one of the side pieces and use on the sides of my nail, because I use that natural curve of the strip and just kind of use it like that. And again, just taking it. Now, if I feel like I need to break it off, you can. But it's just, like I said, it's just some of them are going to overlap a little bit. These little dogs are loud. Goodness gracious. Need to put up a disclaimer. Dogs may be barking in the background. May be barking. Most certainly will be barking. That's no doubt about it. Hey, Journey. You want to hush? Daddy put you under the bed in there. Okay, let's see. What do we need? What colors do we need? It needs to be like random, but I try to think things out too much, you know, that, and then I get all, you know, flabbergasted about stuff. But it really is just like pick one up and put it down, as long as you're not just repeating. Oh, goodness. Journey. She's really trying to get her dad's attention. I think I've got one between my legs here. Which one is that? Claire Bear. Clara's in here with me. She tried to come in here. My goodness. Goodness gracious. This one's got the little bit of metal or silver piece on it too. I just wanting to be ugly. It's going to break off right now too, I bet. Shoot. As long as it don't get stuck to my other finger, we'll be good. Okay. All right. So this is this was from that the Mexican Heritage collection. So I need some solids. So I start looking, you know, and seeing what I've got down here, and I see I've got a lot of, you know, the prints together. So, you know, it's not a have to thing, but I'll probably need to put a solid in here and a glitter dip. Come on. You don't have the plastic on you. I know you don't. I still got that on there over there. Okay, let's just file these off. Lay down. I have no base coat on. I would not even attempt it with base coat, guys. Just do it on your regular nail. I thought about putting down clear as day, but then I was like, nope. I don't want to have them get stuck to anything and have to come back and, you know. So, okay, I need to start looking for some solids. So I've got green, I've got red, and purple. I've got a lot of purple over here, right there. I've also got that glitter dip. I'm going to take this last pink one. This is the jelly nail. This looks like a good easy one to grab. Pretty easy. This one's shaped for this side, so I'm going to take advantage of it, or actually I'm going to lay it up on my nail so it will be a little bit wider. Yep. Then I can take the little orange stick and just nip that off on the back here, or take my thumbnail. I probably won't want to do that though, because I just top coated those just a few minutes ago. So yeah, I'll take an orange stick and get that off. I'll stick it right there. Let's see. What about red? Red. If you come off of there real easy, we'll use you. All right. Red wants to come out and play. So, like I say, there's no real method to the madness unless you just want a specific set of strips. But I just cut up a whole bunch of different ones, as you can see. And you know, just using that. I don't think I've used the yellow polka dots over here. So let's use them. I love this. This is the bikinis and bellinis. And I did a mani with it. It came out this week, which today I'm recording on the 23rd, Thursday. And so it was real cute. It had the daisy. I used that daisy overlay on it. So this one's going the other direction on the bottom. I'm gonna like just snip it just a little bit more, just to angle it so it's kind of pointing the other direction. If that makes sense. So it's gonna angle on my cuticle right. Not a great amount of skill involved for sure. This one needs some glitter, I think. Did you ever think you'd hear me say that? This one needs some glitter. Glitter. Needs some glitter. So I've got Botanical Burst. I've got Pep Raleigh, which is an old retired glitter. That's fine. One of the dogs is under. Claire, what are you getting? What's under there? She's my gets in the garbage dog. She's one of those. She's over here like messing in something. I thought she was just being all sweet, but that's where the trash can is. It's right over here by my feet. She was over there looking for a snack that she can eat, like one of the little plastic ends or something. Yeah, that's what she does. I have to keep the lid shut on the trash can or she gets in it. What are you doing? Everybody can probably hear your little claws walking around in here. Claire Bear. All right. Okay. Nope. Gotta finish over here on this side. So I'm looking. So a lot of orange and red and green. So I also have purple over here. What about this? What about this one? I think I've got. Yep. I've got a curved one right here. Let's do that over here. I'll never get this. This is the little do or dot over the Blueberry Blast. So it's a little bit thicker, but that's okay because the top coat melted those all together really good. I used OPI Plumper and they just all seamlessly went together like it was one strip. And I'm trying so hard not to mess them up. But I wanted to do these with you guys so that if anybody wanted to do them, I'll give you a little how-to. It's not like it's, like I say, it's not rocket science. So we just need one more strip. What do we need to put over here? Some glitter or blue. I haven't got, see, I've got blue jean over here. I've got blue jean right here. Got this Florentine Mosaic. Remember how rare this one was, guys? Used to. I can remember when I very first started wearing Color Street, Joella Knapp, who used to sell it, and is a really sweet friend of mine. Her sister sold it before she did, and she had a twosie of that, and she sent it to me. And I can remember using like one strip out of that twosie and sealing the other one back up. And I just would never use it. And then they came out with it, but you couldn't get this. This was like a Celtic tale almost. So let's see. I like to make sure that I've got everything all the way around. There's a little bit right there, right here. There's a little bit that needs to come off. I'm sure I'll be going back and getting some of this off the edges. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. This is what I put up with all day. That it's like, they're like me. It's like, squirrel, somebody said something. Did you see somebody? Let's go bark. Oh. Okay, let's see. I think that's good. I think I will leave it like this. So here we go, guys. The new boho nails by Color Street. design your own. So I'm gonna take everything that I've got still here that's got a strip in it, and I've got a package here. I don't even know what it says. My Lucky Charm on it. I'm gonna make it smaller, and I'm gonna stack these up, and I'll put it in there, and you have to go back and see what I said to say. There was something I said to say. I got a couple I did not cut that I'll also throw in here, but I'm just gonna stack all these up, and like I said, I can't guarantee they're good. That's Cuban Summer. My Lord, that's one of the prettiest strips that they ever made. That's the graffiti one. There's a jelly nail, chrome it down. Let's see, that's the botanical, camouflage, blue jean baby, do or dot, pepperoli, that's a retired, Serengeti stripes, that's retired, Rendezvous, I think is what that one's called. This is the adoption one, Infinite Space, Dublin Classic. That's just a partial one. There's a whole black strip. And here's some of that new I think it's marigold. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in a package and seal them up, and I can't guarantee that they're good. Like I say, if you want them, I will send them. The phrase that pays. I will see you guys later. Send up some ibuprofen, some Tylenol this way. That'd be good. All right, see y'all. Bye. Oh, shoot. I'm glad I hit my lot, not you guys. I usually bump you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hit the thumbs up. Would love to have y'all subscribe if you haven't.